Help, no bookings. If your Airbnb calendar is empty right now, don't panic. I'm an Airbnb co-host and an Airbnb arbitrage specialist. And in this video, I'll be showing you emergency hosting hacks you can use tonight to jumpstart your bookings, even during slow seasons. Hi, I'm Angela, and I help Airbnb hosts turn struggling listings into booked out properties. So let's get straight into quick fixes that actually work. No long theory. Hack 1, adjust your price immediately. When bookings dry up, your price is the first thing to fix. Create a last minute deal. Drop your weekday rates slightly. Add a short term discount for the next 7 to 14 days. Airbnb favors listings that respond to market demands quickly. Even a 5 to 10% drop can push your listings back to visibility. Hack 2, open instant book and lower minimum nights. If your minimum stay is too high, you are blocking potential guests. Reduce from 3 nights to 1 to 2 nights. Turn on instant book. Guest searching last minute wants speed, not approvals. Instant book alone can increase bookings dramatically. Hack 3. Offer a simple package. You don't always need to slash prices. Sometimes you add value. Example, free late checkout, free airport pickups, and free parking. These small bonuses can make your listings stand out without cutting profits. Hack 4. Update your listings. This is a secret that many hosts ignore. Change your title slightly, update your description, swap or rearrange photos. Even a small update can re-index your listing, pushing it back into Airbnb's algorithm. Hack 5. Promote outside Airbnb. Don't wait for Airbnb alone. Share your listings on Instagram and Facebook. Post in local travel or relocation groups. Send it to past guests. Direct traffic signals interest, and Airbnb notices that. If your bookings are dry right now, try at least two of these fixes tonight. Hit like if you're testing this today. Comment any hosting tricks that works for you. Subscribe because I'm documenting a 2 weeks turnaround experiment where I revive slow listings step by step.